Good morning, first graders. So today is a rainy spring morning, and last night was a rainy spring night. And so I decided I'm going to read this book to you called Stormy Night by Selena Yoon because I thought it kind of fit what the weather is like outside. All right, Stormy Night. One stormy night, Bear couldn't sleep. The wind was whirring, the trees were crackling, and the rain was pounding against the windows. Don't worry, said Bear. I'll hold you tight, I'll keep you warm, my love will keep you safe from the storm, he sang to his bunny, Floppy. Bear felt better. But when a thundering sound rumbled through the forest, it startled Bear. He sang his song again. Mama came in to check on Bear. May I stay with you tonight? I am so frightened by the storm. Bear was glad to see Mama. He kissed Mama's nose to comfort her. Mama smiled. Bear felt better. Then Papa came in to check on Bear. Is there room for me? The storm is so loud tonight. Bear was glad to see Papa. He tickled Papa's ear to comfort him. Papa! Papa laughed, and Bear felt better. But what will make Floppy feel better, thought Bear. I know! A book! And the book Bear is reading to Floppy is A Perfect Day by Bear E. Goodbook. This is a very good book. Bear almost forgot about the storm until... What do you think is going to happen next? Boom! A loud crashing sound of thunder roared through the forest. Bear shut his eyes tight. Mama kissed his nose, and Papa tickled his ear. Mama sang to Bear just like she did when he was a little cub. We'll hold you tight, we'll keep you warm, our love will keep you safe from the storm. Bear felt better. Bear yawned a sleepy yawn, and then it was quiet. What happened to the storm? Even storms need their sleep, said Papa. And so do bears. And that's it. I just thought I love this one. It's about a stormy night and it's rainy, and I hope you have a good rest of your day, first graders. Bye-bye.